I'm not sure what's going on there. Let's give it a try. I think my mic is working. I'm not real sure. Try it like this with it shut. I believe that's it. I can see little lines on the bottom like it's picking up my voice. So let's give it a try because I want to try out my new, to me, my full-faced helmet here. I'm not even sure how much battery life. On here it's only showing 3. I thought it was 30. Let's just give it a try. I just want to go for a quick little ride, see how she's doing. If it's actually picking up the mic inside my helmet or not. So I have the GoPro app downloaded on my phone here, so they're kind of linked together. I was messing with that part the other day in the house. And so when I was messing with it the other day, it was showing me on the screen here of what it was mirror imaging. But right now I'm not getting anything, so I'm not sure what's going on there. We're going to go over and see my son Michael and his girl, and I need to get a quick couple shots of the R6 motorcycle seat that I just did the custom diamond tuck cover on, because I need to go ahead and finish that video out so I can go ahead and put it online. This one I don't know if I'll leave it online or not. I'm at least going to make the video, go over to my parents, go see them for a little bit, load it onto YouTube, watch it on their big screen, 85-inch high def. That'll give me an idea of what's going on, sound quality, picture quality, because like right now I have the camera back there. Hello. It's on suction cup mount. It's got a real long arm, so it's sticking up in the air. The camera's back there just going nuts right now. And I did a little ride a few minutes ago just to check it real quick, but I didn't have my helmet coat or nothing. It's 53 degrees out, so with the short sleeves, I only wanted to ride for a few minutes just to come back and look at the video image itself. And I was pretty pleasantly surprised to how stable it was looking. The image was a lot better than I thought. How they have that image stabilization or whatever built into the camera was working really good. My big thing is I want to see how good this microphone and stuff is working, because the mic is right here in the helmet with me, and I don't know how loud the bike is right now. I know the bike is loud. I don't know how much it's going to transfer through the mic. I guess we'll go straight. You can go right, go up the frontage road to his neighborhood, or just go up 14 here. Alright, so now it's showing me 31% on the battery, so we're still good for now. Mainly just want to try it out. Like I said, we're experimenting today. See what adjustments I need to make, or what its capabilities are, all that good stuff. So I really do want to be able to make some good videos, videos for y'all, and even memories for myself. So we are on the 2012 Victory Cross Country today. I've got 5 or 6 nice bikes All of them happen to be victories, and my one Harley Fat Boy, of course. And that's the one that got destroyed in Hurricane Ian, but I brought her back to life. I got a couple videos of that on the channel if you'd like to watch. And if you are watching and you've been on here this long, how about please give me a thumbs up if you like what you've seen. I hope you subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to get her to grow. Always trying to get her to grow. Not, you know, some of my videos do good, and most of them, majority, get very little views. So if you give me that thumbs up, maybe leave me a comment what you think of the video, how the stabilization is, if you can hear me good, all that stuff. What do you think of victories? Give me something, y'all, and that way it helps in the algorithm of YouTube of when they'll let people see, like if they're doing a search for something, then my video might pop up. So it's greatly appreciated. I hope my son's at home. I think they're watching the game Sunday afternoon. Carolina played last night. I think they got their butt kicked. I didn't see it. I was busy, but so I'm not even sure who's playing today. But I know he's going to be watching the game. Oh, nice vet. Woohoo! In case you didn't know, I'm a vet guy. I like vets. And of course, looks like they're gone. So I messaged them before I left, and I see now there's a message on my phone, so I'm going to have to stop this so I can check it. Actually, I think I can just do this. Yeah, he's saying he ain't home. They will be later. Alright, so let's go over and see my parents. Because they don't live very far. Matter of fact, I'm going to check my Bluetooth out real quick and call my parents on the phone. So I guess I'm going to have to end the video here.